Good morning, retail traders. I'll be the first one to tell you that General Motors is not my favorite stock of all. It's probably my worst company out there when it comes to the.
CTIC.
Got my scanner on. Like I said, it comes to one of the worst companies that I've ever traded. I traded it at 50 cents. I traded it at a buck. I just don't like the company. I don't like how it's run. I don't like anything about it. But I do like the chart. And that's what I'm here for. I'm a technical trader. I think they're just full of crap. But if you look, we are at an inverted head and shoulders down here at a pretty good little support, right around 34.82. Now, if this thing holds here at 34.82, I think you can easily run it up $5 to about 39.81. But this is General Motors. Keep a good eye on it. Like I said, it's not my favorite company of all to trade in the EV sector. As you can tell, I'll even pull up the 20-year chart on this stock. It tells you how bad the performance has been. It's never had a breakout until they started pumping these EV sector. So I'm going to put it up on the quarter chart, and we definitely had us a real bearish time with a double bottom down here back to the June lows at 31.74. This is the 20-year outlook. It hasn't broke resistance very much at all past this 39.81 area. So keep a good eye on it. It can pop up to that 39 area and probably find some kind of resistance. That, or it can pull back some more and even land a little bit lower. It'd be nice to see it back here at $20, but I don't know if that's going to happen. Might happen next year because of the inflation. People ain't going to be able to afford these highly priced EV cars that they're going into. I think it's a bad decision on their part to say they're going to close down the gas guzzling business and just go straight into EVs. It's just happening too fast for them, and soon they're going to be asking for money to be bailed out, and I guarantee it'll happen within a couple of years. And that's General Motors. They've been bailed out, I think, 3 different times by the federal government. And they're just horrible at managing their books. And we'll just have to see what happens. I'm just not a positive person on General Motors, but I am seeing the opportunity to maybe take a trade and run it up to a certain level. I'm going to put this on the 20-day. It's had a pretty good 5-day sell-off. So we've got different resistance levels, and I'm going to use them as my moving average. We got 36.01. There's 37.21, 37.86 at the 51, and then finally at the 200 at 39.81. I know I'll probably get a lot of bad comments about this stock, but I don't care. You have a great day. General Motors on watch for a sneaky snake.